In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can remove 404 bad backlinks from your Google Search Console. So when you move on to your Google Search Console page, over here you can see your indexing paging, and then with page indexing you have to go to your not found 404 pages. And over here, once you are being analyzed over here, you have to submit the new request, select the URL, paste next, and then submit request over here. And if you are going to select, you can select this method to remove any URL. For instance, we are going to copy this one, going into removal, and the removal select, we are going to select the new request, and then are going to write the URL and press the submit request. That's how easily you can do it over here. So now what you're gonna do is, just for the copied URL, we are going to select the new request over here, and then going to copy the URL and select the next over here, and then we're going to submit the request. And that is how we can do the request for the submission for another removal. And see over here the method being shown over here. So that is how you can easily remove your 404 bad backlinks from your Google Search Console error which have gone on your Google Search Console profile. So that how easily you can sort out your 404 backlink profiles from your Google Search Console. I hope you like this quick tutorial. But in case if you need help in sorting out your Google Search Console issues, or in case if you need help in sorting out your Google Ads issues, Google Ads suspension, Google Ad disapproval, Google Merchant Center suspension, Google Business Profile suspension, or in case if you need Shopify web development services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Just to let you know that my name is Ali Raza and I'm an owner of a Google partner company. And again, in case if you need our services, you can hire us through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching this quick tutorial regarding how to remove your 404 bad backlinks from your Google Search Console profile. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.